if you ever see this message, it actually means practically exactly what it says in there. The charger that you are trying to use to power on the laptop is a little bit low on power delivery capacity. So that means that it might not be the original charger for your particular laptop. In case you have 2 HP laptops in your house, maybe you plugged in the charger from the other one, which is a bit weaker, or your charger is beginning to fail in some way. But either way, what you need to do at this point to get the laptop working again is wait, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 minutes to give it a chance to charge the battery, and then your laptop will work once more. But take a good look at the bottom of the screen when your OS is loaded to make sure that your battery is actually charging while the laptop is working. Because your charger might be that weak that is basically unable to run the laptop and also charge it at the same time. So yeah, the idea is that either you plugged in the wrong charger or your charger has an issue. But if you really want to start the laptop and see what's happening, give it a bit of time to charge. Just realized something else that you might do. Unplug the charger and simply plug it back in. But obviously I'm not, actually I managed to do it without actually looking through the camera. So maybe it's just not making a good contact at this point. Who knows? So you could also try that. So yeah, hope this video helps you clarify that message a little bit. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. For me, it's quite simple. I have a weak charger, and I do know I have a weak charger, and I left the laptop to discharge to 0. So basically drained the whole battery. So yeah, it's kind of my fault. I could just use a more powerful charger, but this one works just fine if I don't let it go discharged to 0, to fully flat. So yeah, there's that. If I would try to power it once again, I would presumably get exactly the same thing, because I'm filming for 2.5 minutes basically at this point or something like that. So it didn't have a chance to actually... Oh yeah, it did have. So in 5 minutes, I think I left it before starting to film, it did charge. So that's awesome. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye!